Hi my lovelies, it's Naya of AhhhSoNeo saying welcome back to my channel. I am going to be doing a Coach handbag collection today. Just a little update for you guys because I have been adding to my collection. So if you'd like to see what my Coach bag collection looks like now, then please watch on. Hey guys, it's Naya of AhhhSoNeo. Welcome back. I am doing an updated Coach bag collection. I've added a couple new pieces since my last Coach bag collection, mainly this stunning bag. So I will be showing that as long as all the other pieces in my collection. I don't have a lot, but as I'm gearing up for yet another anniversary here on YouTube, because I've actually been on YouTube for quite some time, as I'm gearing up for another anniversary here on YouTube and leading up to a giveaway that I'm going to be doing for you guys, I thought it might be fun to kind of do a Coach collection, a couple of Louis Vuitton collection videos, including my Louis Vuitton bandeau collection, which I'll link here because I've already done that one. Maybe my Chanel collection, not as exciting, and then do my giveaway video to just say thank you to everybody who's been watching AhhhSoNeo over the many years. So yeah, it's like a little roundup. Yeah, why not? So yeah, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, hey, thank you so much for joining. If you've been here before, thank you. You guys are the real MVPs. Either way, whether you're new or you've been here before, please hit the subscribe button. Also make sure you hit the notification bell. Would really appreciate your support. Making sure you're watching my videos, sharing my videos, etc. It would just be fantastic. So what am I doing here? I'm doing an updated collection on my Coach collection. Of course, my most recent addition is my Coach May shoulder bag here in the color Stone. I'm currently using this bag, so I love it. It does also come with a big strap to make it a crossbody bag, but I'm not a fan of crossbody bags, so I tend to just carry it as a shoulder bag, and I just love it. Very soft, mushy. I love that. This leather is incredible. The leather is absolutely incredible. It's staying nice and light and white there. I really should do a wear and tear on it, but I'll give it a couple more months because I don't know. I think I've had it. Actually, maybe I've had it. Oh, maybe I've had it 3 or 4 months. I'm not sure. But it's a really great bag, and this is my newest addition, and this is the Coach May shoulder bag, and I love it. This is magnetic here. Isn't that great? I love the bubble, see? So yeah, that is my newest addition to my Coach collection, and I'm gonna show you guys next my oldest Coach bag that I have. It's a real classic. Really. Yeah, but it's one of those that I will just feel like I could never get rid of it. Plus, you know, it has zero resale value. And I couldn't give it away if I wanted to because it's that old, but it's one of these Coach signature bags that were the fabrics with the suede and the snakeskin. And when I wanted this bag, I think I was in grad school and didn't even have like a job. And I basically couldn't afford it, so I had to stock it at the May store, not May, at the Macy's store while I waited for it to go on sale. Eventually it went on sale. I was able finally to get it, and you know, for a while there, back in I think 2005, I was the hot girl with the Coach purse, trust me. So I still have it. I keep it for sentimental reasons, just to show me how far I've come. Love it. And like I said, I couldn't give it away if I tried, so I haven't tried, and I will be keeping it. Next is another very old addition in my collection, and it looks like it. Okay, this bag is beat up. It's been to hell and back a million times. Lipstick, plain stains, all kinds of stuff, but I don't care. I still use it. It is my Coach Dinky in some kind of blue color here. and it's a crossbody bag, and yes, it's been beat to hell, but this is my soccer bag. This is my running around with my daughter, going from soccer to soccer, sometimes from track meet to soccer, who knows what, and I just need something that will get us through the day real quick, and I can access everything real quick, and I use my Coach Dinky for that. Another one I probably couldn't give away if I tried to, and that's fine. It has its uses, and it's just, the leather's aged really nice. This is a bag that has absolute sentimental reason for me, and I will never ever sell. Well, one shouldn't say never, but for the most part won't sell. And this is because this is a purse that my husband bought for me, and is one of those rare instances where my husband bought me a purse, because he's not a purse person. So this was like a big breakthrough for him. But anyway, it is, I think at one point, since Coach will release the same bag in different names, this was the Coach Selma bag. And it's one of those like 3-hole there, so it's a separate cubby there, and then the 2 ones, and each one has a zipped pocket. It's like the best travel purse. I can put so much in this when I'm traveling, and it's just fabulous for that. It just carries a lot. Great leather, has aged really well. I've probably had this one about maybe 4 or 5 years now, and fantastic bag that still I get a lot of use out of it when I know I need to take everything and the kitchen sink. I take my Coach Selma bag. And let's see what's next. Oh goodness. Now this bag, what's next, is one that I stocked and stocked and stocked again, because I kept waiting for the price to go down, because I knew the price was going to go down, and the price eventually went down, as Coach always does. So I was pretty happy that I waited, and I still love it. It is my gorgeous Parker bag in the pink quilt, and then it has the different colors down there, and yeah, what is that? Oh, I have the strap to another Coach purse in there. Yeah, what is this? Oh, just some little stuffing. What I really loved about this purse was the strap. It's very light, this strap. It's excellent. And then it's also adjustable, so if I wanted to carry it crossbody, I can do that. Or I can do it in the shoulder way, like that. So kind of the way that the Chanel is set up with the full holes, the Chanel classic flap. Love that. Also has a black pocket. Beautiful, soft, and I keep it stuffed so that it maintains its shape. Gorgeous, gorgeous purse. Coach Parker. Love that one. Next one is a very popular type of bag, and you know, I fell for the hype. I've had multiples of this one, and then I got rid of some of them, but I've kept this one because I love it. And it is my Coach Cassie, the regular size one. This one is in stone again. Very similar colorway. This one obviously way bigger, but you know, I love that colorway. And this was the fancy one, which had the snake print up there, because who doesn't need a little snake print? It has a crossbody strap, of course, which I hardly ever used, because some of you might know I'm a handheld girl. So yeah, that one also stuffed. I like to store my bags stuffed so that they maintain their shape. Back pocket. And I mean, we've all seen a Cassie. Who hasn't seen a Cassie? Love it. And then next after that, after I absolutely loved my Cassie but hated the crossbody strap, because I'm not a crossbody strap girl. So when they came out, when Coach came out with the Coach Cassie 19, and I will link my comparison video here of Coach Cassie 19 versus regular Coach, I had to get the Coach Cassie 19, and mine is in this beautiful light pink. I'm sure you can see from the Chanel over here, maybe it's being washed out a little bit. Another pale pink bag. The Louis Vuitton up here, another pale pink bag. I love pale pink bags. So when I saw this one in the pale pink with the green and the camel, absolutely stunning. Had to get it. Actually thinking about getting this one. I've seen it in like the gray. I love that, and it was on sale, and I had it in my cart, and then I forgot all about it. How? I don't know. But you know, again, it's Coach, it'll go on sale again. But I love this one because it's a shoulder strap. It does have that crossbody strap too, but I took it off and I've basically never used it. And I love that. I think it's fabulous. It's just fabulous. What is this? Hey, I didn't know those were there. Yeah, something in the back that I need. Perfect. Oh, I forgot. It also has a little handheld. I forgot I stuck it inside. Silly girl. Has a little handheld there as well because I love a little ladylike handheld purse like this. That's me. I love that. So yeah, just an absolute perfect purse for me. Love it. I should actually carry that soon. Okay. Last, I have another Coach bag that I had on my vision board for quite some time. Finally picked it up in the exact colorway that I wanted, because you guys know Coach does different colorways in the same bag, and this one I wanted for a while and I was just waiting for it to go on sale, and of course it finally went on sale because, you know, like I've said, Coach always goes on sale. And it's my Coach Tabby medium. Now this is my business bag, you know, like I fantasize once business travel starts for me, if ever, maybe never, but this is what I envision. I envision I will have my Pigalis, a little suit. Do people wear suits? I don't know. And this, and I will be boss lady. Why is it that every time I do a Coach purse collection, I actually forget to show the one I use more than anything else? And currently, because, not that I'm traveling, but because it's currently my school bag. Yes, I'm in school. But yeah, this is another old Coach signature bag. Very, very old school with straps. Look at that. Gorgeous, gorgeous bags. Great travel bag. It was a diaper bag back in the day. And since my daughter will be 12 soon, that tells you how old it is. But I'm telling you something, okay? Because this Coach canvas looks amazing. For a bag that is 12 years old, I wouldn't change this for anything. I mean, the strap's a little dirty. But other than that, this purse looks amazing. So, yeah. Just goes to show why I love Coach bags. I might, you know, buy other brands, but Coach is definitely my jam. So thanks guys, thanks so much for watching. As always, gonna end this video the way I end all my videos. Choose happiness, guys. It's a choice you get to make. It's an actual choice. You can choose how you want to feel. Make the right choice. Make the right choice for you. Choose happiness, guys. Choose it. Thanks so much for watching.